Hey guys, Tech with Jen here to show you how to create wooden dice for centers. I find the paper dice I make for students oftentimes tear up, so here is my solution. The first thing you're going to do is gather your materials. Almost everything you will need are things you have in the classroom. There's only a couple of things that you might have to buy, and the first one is to get a 2-inch wooden block. I usually buy this at like Hobby Lobby or Michael's. You'll need a brush, a pair of scissors, you'll need Mod Podge, which would be another thing you might have to buy, a plastic bowl, and then you'll just print out your pictures on regular copy paper. So once you have all of your materials in place, you can begin the next step, and that is to cut out each square on the line. If you decide to make your own, I like my squares to be 1.5 inches or 1.75 inches on all sides. This makes it great when I begin to apply the Mod Podge to one side of the wooden dice and stick the paper square on top of the glue. I can usually just smooth out any bubbles or wrinkles with my finger and it fits perfect. Then I add more glue to the top of the paper and allow it to dry. I do this so that I can do the rest of it all at one time. So once it's dry, repeat the process until I've added all the squares. So why would I use these wooden squares or wooden blocks? I create number dice, use them for QR codes, and my favorite is Aurasma. If you've never heard of Aurasma, watch this next video so I can show you how it works. Alright, so I'm going to show you what I'm using the block for that I created. I'm using it as a trigger image for Aurasma. So I'm going to go to the Aurasma app. And when I go and I scan this trigger image with the app, it will have an overlay pop up. And it's a video. You have to get it just right. Sometimes it takes a while. And you'll see that a video pops up. And the kids can double tap and it will bring up the video. Then you double tap on it again and it'll take you back to the Aurasma, and then you can watch another video.
Yeah. Alright, here we are. Got Miss Muffet. She's pretty little, small.
I love using these wooden blocks so that students can scan the Aurasma trigger images and do a variety of activities. Maybe they're going to listen for enjoyment, sing the songs, or even write about what they've read or what they've listened to. They might write about their favorite nursery rhyme, or they might have a writing prompt about it. Nonetheless, there's lots of activities, and this is just one of the activities you can find in my new unit called Nursery Rhymes, Literacy and Math Unit. Check it out.